Nityanandam. I welcome all of you for this live broadcast of Akashic readings being revealed to the bodies of the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul here. Today, we'll be having to get to see all these people having their Akashic readings, right? And get to hear from various different people about the experience. So now let us first go down to Swamiji's Murti and have a look at all these kids embodying Kalabhairava himself, and let us go down to all of them and start our show. So today we have Ma Nitya Atmadayananda. You are from?
I'm from London. I live in London and I take care of Europe and Africa Center.
So here we have her to share about her experience with this Akashic readings and the different Shaktis that Swamiji has been initiating all of us into. Yes, Ma.
Well, it's been quite a quick journey, fast journey, and a really exciting one. So a few months ago, as you know, just before Sadashivoham, Swamiji opened up this amazing opportunity of Akashic reading. So it took me a few days to get my head around this, that all the Balasans were going to be available for Akashic readings, right? And then of course the journey started for us. So we started sharing the Akashic readings with the people in Europe. We sent out an invitation to all the IA grads, people who've been to Inner Awakening, new people who are interested in Swamiji, people who've been to programs with Swamiji. We thought we'll start giving them the opportunity to come and experience this. So we didn't know what was in store, but my God, it's what an amazing journey it has been. I would say personally, for me to witness other people's questions answered and then my own personal questions answered. So I had, because I was organizing that with Kamalatman and the other Mahant from Slovakia, Europe, and of course Maswarupa. So the three of us would organize sometimes 3 sessions a day for people, and we were literally having so many people come and request. I think at one point I had like a 200 people list waiting for the next Akashic, and the people that had already been were again wanting to come back. So we had this.
Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah. So many people just waiting, like they got their Akashic reading done, and again they're just waiting to have more and more the time to spend with the Balasans, especially.
Yes.
More than it just being the question,
Yes.
it's the time that they're waiting for that entanglement to happen.
Yes, really, I would say I got so much completion out of just listening to other people's, the participants that came for Akashic reading and seeing the look on their face. You could see the relief, the sigh, or the clarity that happened for them. Like things like, what is the purpose of my life? Suddenly they had direction in their life. For people, I've seen people like myself, for instance. I had conflict, should I do this or should I do that for earning an income? And basically, just in 1 second, Kalabhairava obviously answered for me that. So things like, that evening I put an advert for the spiritual counseling, and the next day I had clients, just like that, really quick. So this months of so these are these months of confusion that I had just disappeared in a few seconds for me, and really it's been such a joy. One really, really strong example I remember, this is so many, daily having the time with the Balasans, I felt more and more complete. I could see so many things resolved in my own personal life listening to other participants answer. But one very strong example was Kalabhairava had said to one of the ladies from Slovakia, she's pregnant at the time, so, and then she asked about her purpose, etc. And Kalabhairava said, you need to be here in Bengaluru Adinam. She's 9 months, almost 9 months pregnant at the time, probably less than that, quite heavily, like as in the last stages of the pregnancy. And Kalabhairava said, you need to be here and have the child in India. So what would most people do? They'll probably not give listening to that, or they'll say, oh no, I can't, or etc. XYZ reasons. But she did it. she did it. She actually really listened to what Kalabhairava had to say, and she made it to Bengaluru Adinam. I was here to receive her. Luckily, I was here earlier, so I was here to receive her. I met her the first day, and the second day, next time I met her, she was about to have the baby. So I was there running around looking for a phone, an India phone, because she came from Slovakia, obviously, and there were other people here also to look after her. So literally, she landed here, she got the permission to fly, everything was absolutely fine. Baby completely healthy, and as like a 1 to 2 day old baby getting initiated into powers, that was so magnificent to see, that when Kalabhairava had said it'll all be fine.
And Swamiji is also continuously initiating the Balasans to the next level
Yes.
powers.
Yes.
Amazing Shaktis and continuous entanglement happening.
Yes, my God, the day Swamiji announced that day about Akashic reading to now is just been like it's going up and up and up and up and up, so more and more exciting things happening here. So that's what I wanted to share.
And actually, when Swamiji started introducing about this Akashic readings, I thought, okay, that was the ultimate power. What else can be there rather than seeing the past, present, and future? Now he has taken us to the next level, where he is telling about the length dimension and the breadth dimension.
Yes.
He is giving us different powers to see so many different things.
Yes.
Do you have anything to share about those aspects?
Yeah, it's very tangible. For me, I got to be in the courtyard just a few days ago. I got to be in the courtyard, and of course, I'm getting more clarity as Swamiji is explaining. Okay, this is the length dimension, this is the breadth, and of course, there's a depth dimension of materialization, etc. So, the length dimension for me, mathematics was a real pain, and I'm seeing the balasan that we're entangling with just easy. He's like, okay, this is the answer. I'm like, this complex.
And the 10 digits into 10 digits divided by 10 digits.
Exactly. I shared it on my Facebook actually with the evidence of the the numbers what we did. So for me, it's like once again, so much completion with what is possible, and very tangibly I can see what is possible for me also now. Even I didn't need to beat myself up about this mathematics and break my head. It's so easy. It's so enjoyable and exciting. So rather than getting stressed out about studies, I could be enjoying life, right? Enjoying all of these.
Yeah,
So that's how I feel.
It was like so many small kids were
Yes.
doing trigonometry,
Yes.
which they've not even heard about.
Yes.
And they were literally what sums that Ramanujam did. Actually, it was a Swamiji very beautifully has told that it was a gift given by Mukkur Mahalakshmi. Even if you read Ramanujam's original autobiography and if you listen to his original story, you will know where each and every moment there, when he went to the university, when he was doing his research, every moment, whenever the numbers he wanted, he'll very clearly tell, it's only Mukkur Mahalakshmi who's showing it. There is one such power gifted to him.
Yes.
So when that power was given to him, and of course he was in the whole life he was having that gratitude, and continuously he used to be able to write any number you give, he used to be able to write the answer just because it appears to him. There is no scientific reason or logical conclusion that you can give to that at all.
Yes.
Exactly, that is the same thing happening to all of us here. Swamiji is doing the Shaktini Pada, that entanglement to all of us, and now you put 10 digit into 10 digit divided by 10 digit into 20 digit into 30 digits, whatever.
Yes.
Any huge problem. And how will the answer come like?
Just like that, in a flash. I think she did it in like 18 seconds for one of them. But some of them were 7 seconds, 6 seconds. And if we had to use the calculator, the adults would be using the calculator to work out. Because the moment I saw these 7 digits, 8 digits, even though I written them out, I was like, I have no clue what the answer to this is. So, yeah, it was...
So that was about the mathematical aspect. What other aspects did you see in this length dimension?
We also saw, actually, we asked her about the circumference, the size of of Jupiter. We asked the size of Jupiter, and of course I had to Google because I don't know the answer myself. You would think that this is general knowledge, but it's not actually. The amount of memory that I can handle probably just enough for day-to-day stuff. But she was able to just immediately get it. Actually, before I asked, I said, I think I'll ask you about the size of Jupiter. She said, I'm going to get it right immediately because it is Guru, right? Guru is Jupiter's planet Guru. So that's what we got. That was also one more other thing that we did.
And also in the courtyard, now continuously Swamiji is making us manifest into much more deeper and deeper levels. And not just mathematics, including the kids were able to tell the temperature precision such precisely.
Yes, that's another thing actually, because I asked her what is the temperature in London. So even though I lived there and it would be obvious to me, it wasn't. And she got it exactly right. She got the Fahrenheit first and then she got the centigrade also.
Fahrenheit.
Yeah, and she kept saying to me, she says, three, check, it's three. I said, three what? She said, three. So I checked and I was like, Fahrenheit. She goes, Mama, check, Ma. I'm seeing three. Again and again, I'm seeing three. So I said, okay, I'll
It's
check.
just that we apply the Jnananjan on a stone slab.
Yes.
We connect to Swamiji's energy, and literally the numbers and everything appears on that. The mathematics, whatever we are struggling with, has become redundant.
Yes.
Because so small kids, they're sitting and doing what sums that I'm 100% sure no mathematician without this power can ever beat us in this.
That is true. Agreed. Yes.
And also about the places and the GPS initiation that Swamiji has given.
Yes.
And today morning he initiated all of us into bread. So what is the thing that you have to share about that? About the breath dimension?
Yes. I was in satsang this morning, and it was so exciting for me because I usually, as I said, I asked if I can earn an income doing art, and this is something very close to me. So when they were sharing all the paintings, etc., it's like amazing that kids who've never heard of these artists, and I have a background in all of this, and when they were sharing that they didn't know, it took me a few years to study them. First of all, get to know the artists, get to know the impressionists, what paintings they did, etc. They may be famous and available to a lot of people on Google, but it's not something that you can just like that know. And within a few hours, not even few hours, within a few moments of being initiated, to see Balasans radiate this power to express it is just amazing. I can't wait to see as it develops what else is going to happen.
And it was so amazing. We were able to see it visually there. The huge amount of visualization. Like literally when they tell 200-story building, how many switches are there?
Yes. And you were expressing it, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So today morning I was also able to see it. Like in the stone slab, and I was able to see the painting that was there. I had no idea what it was. A Dutch painter, his self-portrait. And I was able to clearly see it and describe the whole painting and see the whole map of like how to go the whole route. I was able to see clearly like how to travel from airport to a place in Atlanta.
Yeah.
It was so nice.
Yes. See, one more thing I'll add is, although I have this background in art, if you ask me now exactly what is in that painting, I'll not be able to tell you, right? Without the initiation, with the initiation, not having seen the painting, you're able to share it. So that's just amazing. So, Ma, I want to say thank you so much for inviting me, for sharing this amazing opportunity to share with the viewers. So thank you very much.
Thank you,
Change the job. Within 1 month, you'll be successful.
So, like how she was sharing all these different powers, continuously we're exploring into so many deeper and deeper dimensions. Not Akashic readings here not just happen physically, even online sessions also happen where there's a Zoom link given on top of the video. You can click into the Zoom ID, or you can register for your Akashic reading to be read online for you. There's a registration form also given there, so you can register yourself there and have your Akashic readings read. You can just see how continuous live sessions are happening here. Various parts of the world, live sessions happen. I'm going to go show. Balasant is right now looking into Swamiji's Murti.
What is my life purpose?
You can see how many centers are joining us live, and so many people waiting for having their Akashic readings read live. The Balasans look at Swamiji's Murti and see the letters appear in gold golden letters. Whole Akashic readings appear as golden letters on the deity. So let us have. Ma, do you want to share anything to all our viewers, Ma, about the Akashic reading or the Shaktini Pada that you hired Swamiji?
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So, Nityananda, my name is Manishka too, and I've been in Nityananda Yogam for, I think now it's like the 4th month, going in the 5th month. And in the early morning today, Swamiji told us to come to his courtyard, and the Balasams were giving the power of sorry yeah, we're giving the power to manifest like the dimensions of the breath, and then we got entangled with them, and I got Vairagya Maya, and we started asking her like very complex big questions. So the first one, we asked about Leonardo da Vinci, his famous art that he did, and which is in Louvre. And she immediately started drawing a picture of a woman, and I said, yeah, it was correct. The correct answer, it was Mona Lisa. And then I asked about the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona to draw it, and she started drawing the towers and then the whole structure.
That was amazing. I just saw the picture and God.
Yeah.
You know, look at today's satsang video. It's amazing. She just replicated a whole structure. It cannot be a guess.
Yeah, I was very amazed because I know how it looks, but I wouldn't have been able to just draw it from my mind. And she just drew it like that, looking at the Krishna Shila.
Just a Krishna Shila. There's just a stone slab with a Jnananjan.
Yeah.
Not even a photo or nothing. She does not even know that building exists.
Yeah, she didn't even know what it was. La Sagrada Familia, I told her only, in Barcelona. I didn't tell her that it was a building or it was a church or anything. And she started drawing it. And then the other very interesting thing that happened was my sister, Ma Shivani, she told her to give the directions of to private residences, how to go to, like, from one private residence to go to the other one. And then she wrote like first go straight, and then after 2 to 3 meters turn right, and then after 2 kilometers turn left again, things like that. And it was almost right on the Google that we've put. But the thing is, why I said almost right, according to the Google, was on the Google it was written like 62 meters, and she wrote 2 to 3 meters, and actually the Google was wrong, and the actual distance was 3 meters. It was only like 3 meters
Google was
to the
wrong.
left.
God, such precision.
Yeah.
Google was wrong and the kid was correct. Amazing.
That was fantastic. Like, wow. I can't wait.
Actually,
to have
all
that.
of you can witness this whole happening. It's Swamiji has initiated all of us into the dimensions of breadth and length. Length is to do with logic, get the information. Like, I can sit here and get the information that I need. I can tell the length of anything. I can sit here and tell what is the distance between the sun and moon, or anything that I want. I can get the information. That's all the logic-based stuff I can have access to. And but the breadth dimension, anything artistic, anything to do with the emotions. So we'll be able to access that. And now Swamiji is also going to initiate all of us into the next power of the depth, where actually we can play with our cognitions and materialize things, and so many amazing things like that.
Yeah, I can't
What are the
imagine. Like, even only with length and breadth, they are doing like so amazing work. I can't imagine what with the breadth, with the depth they are going to do. I
So
can't
what
wait.
other things did you ask, and what are the different replies that you got regarding the length dimension or the breadth dimension?
Well, the length dimension, we gave our balances, the balances that I got, like very like difficult questions. Like, not even on the calculator we could like calculate it like very quickly. And the answers, like, we were getting the answers like within a few seconds. And one of the balances, I got the answer in 2 seconds only, and it was like an
2
algebra, very
seconds.
complex algebra question.
Complex algebra
Only-
question. What was the kid's
only
age?
choose-
Around approximately?
I think she was around. Actually, it was Ma. I forgot her name.
The one in the green dress?
Green, yes.
Oh. So you had that Balasan
Yeah.
do it for you.
And she said it in 2 seconds. That was
Just
amazing.
2 seconds. Such small girl replying back in 2 seconds for a complex algebra sum. It's just too much. Somji is just showering us with all the powers and just making all this education system, whatever. So many kids are struggling with all this education, Mekale's education system. Actually, the real education system, the Indian Gurukul way of education was only the backbone for us. That was only supporting us, helping us in manifesting powers, helping us live our life fully. But after the British people came and invaded India, the first main thing that they broke, the backbone of India, that was Gurukul education system. And Mekale's was like just a clerk making system. And it's so unfortunate that up to now, almost all the Indian schools are still following that system, that way of education system only. Only this Gurukul way of education is going to be liberation, and it's going to be like you're going to live your life, enjoy it completely, and just show all your powers and possibilities and just live the whole thing. So that can happen only with this Gurukul way of education.
Yeah, the British system is like only creating slaves compared to the Gurukul system, which is like giving you the freedom of everything, like telling you everything is possible, and not every, like possible meaning like everything, not what we recognize as a human being, like like everything. Like
Thanks a lot, Ma,
infinity.
for sharing this. Actually, people out there need to know there's so many things is happening here.
Yeah,
And of course, whatever they are all missing out, they all are here.
Yeah, they have to come here to see it, because if you're just saying, maybe they won't believe it. But they have, if they don't believe it, if you don't believe it, you have to come here and see what's happening here. It's like an evolution, the whole revolution of the human
I can't even tell it as an evolution. So much told, right? New species being created.
directly new species.
Directly new species. Like aliens coming. Not even aliens is also not even the right word to use. But
That's
anything.
Shiva coming down.
Thanks a lot, Ma.
Okay, thank you.
Nityanandam.
Nityanandam.
So every one of you over there, even you all can experience all these Shaktis. See, when you are sitting with another Balasant who's already in that space, the entanglement will start happening in you. And you will just see how your being starts flowering beautifully. I know my words cannot justify the whole happening that is happening here. You have to come here to experience it. So you are always welcome to come and join us here for this live Akashic readings. You can come here physically or have your Akashic reading registered through via online, or you can come today. You can join us today at 6 p.m. IST in the Zoom link that is projected on your screen, and you can have your Akashic readings read. Thank you, Nityanandam.